Hello everyone, this is Monty's Courses, and this is part 3 in the HTML coding course. And today we're going to be learning about text formatting. So basically text formatting is like as if you were on like a Google Doc or whatever, right? You wanted to like bold something, you wanted to like, I don't know, italicize something. That's basically how it's going to work. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this tutorial right now. And so we're going to go off and start with bold. How do you bold something, right? So to bold something, you'd want to go here, right? Type in strong. And let's just say we wanted just the Monty part to be bolded. Or no, we're just going to make Monty's Courses. That's going to be bolded. So then you would end it right there. And everything in between here will get bolded. When I run it, see, Monty's Courses bolded, and the rest is untouched. Now there are some other ones that we're gonna go over. They're gonna go over italicizing next. So if you wanted to italicize something, it's gonna be M for emphasize. Think about that. We're gonna do Monty, and we do that. Look, italicized Monty, right? So now another one we could do is actually make small text. So if I type small Monty, and look how small it is. It's a little, I mean, it's not that much shorter, but you look at it real hard, it's a little bit shorter, right? So now another thing we could do is mark it. Mark Monty. And it like highlights it, see? Like a marker. And another one we could do is subscript and superscript, which is like if you were doing what's that one called, like expressions in math class, where like it's like 2 to the power or whatever. That's basically what it's gonna look like. So if we're gonna do subscript, pretty sure this is the one that goes under Monty sub. Oh, it does it for me. Oh, damn it. See, it goes under, and if we do super, well, this one's just sup, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, sup. And then we're gonna do Monty, and look, now it's up. See, easy. And that's a bunch of stuff you can do with formatting. You can play around with it. I'm pretty sure you can combine them. Let's say I went to also italicize this. I could just put it in the middle, right? Oh, did it for me. Now it's italicized and bolded. Looking fresh. This is pretty much key to making any important website. And there's also one more thing I have to cover. So in the middle of a paragraph, right? Let's say we wanted to like, if you wanted to like go down, I guess, like if you press enter, it would be on the next line. But if you press entered here and you run it, nothing changes, right? That's not how it works. So how it works is you actually just go like this. So let me put 3 dots just so it looks like it makes sense. And we're gonna do BR. And once we hit enter, it goes, Monty Courses is the best YouTube channel ever, on the next line. So that's another thing you can do with the text. And I think that's going to be it for today's tutorial. Nothing really more to talk about with all the text. This is mostly the important stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.